Welcome to Red Piston's unboxing of the MagicLeap2. Waiting since November for this. Apparently there was a part shortage, so it's a couple months late, but we're excited to see what's in store since they fixed a lot of the issues with the first one and there's a lot of improvements. Alright. Ooh, personalized note from the distributor. That's another weird thing I noticed with the change in their business model, in that they're not distributing these things themselves anymore. They're going through like third-party distribution partners. Personally, when we ordered the first MagicLeap, it seemed a little bit more seamless. This was a weird process, in my opinion, where it was sent to these guys, and then these guys had to send it to us, and there was all sorts of delays. Wow, look at that box. That's cool. That looks cool. You got the tube. You got what it includes: carrying case, headset, nose pads, controllers, chargers, all that nice stuff you're gonna need. And that's about it. Let's get into it here. There's a dull knife. So obviously an improvement in design as well. Improvement in tracking, cameras. The big thing I'm excited about is the field of view, which was the big impedance with the first one, in that the field of view was just not that great. Whoa, look at that. Free case. I mean, I'd be excited if it wasn't so much money, but it's still nice. Most of the time you gotta buy this separately. Let's see what's under here. Oh, there you go. So there's your, looks like this is USB-C. I guess they went USB-C with everything, so that's cool. That's for the power. These are probably chargers for the controllers, or the controller. Okay, that's just a wrist strap for the controller. This is just to make the headset more stable on your head. What is this? Oh, okay. This is for the compute pack. So the way that this works is it's a wearable mixed reality headset with all the functionality of the rendering sitting on your eyes, and you see through, and it's a screen that projects onto the lenses, and then all the computing is done with a computer that is strapped to your waist. So those are nose guards for different shapes of noses. Let's get to the exciting part here. Oh, there it is, MagicLeap2. So here's your CPU. So I believe it has an AMD custom processor that they worked with AMD on. It has a GPU and CPU all in one, so it's like an APU kind of thing. It's a lot more powerful than the first version. And now they switched to running Android on it as opposed to their own OS. So supposedly that makes development easier. Here's the headset. Wow, so it seems, from what I remember, smaller than the first version. And the lenses seem bigger. The design looks sleeker, in my opinion, less weird. Like, you look like a weird frogman with the first one. And then the controllers, which apparently is full 6 DoF, just like the first one, but it's a lot more accurate, and you could put it behind you and all around you, and it still works. This time it's using cameras, whereas the first version used, I think, some magnetic detection kind of effect. So this is a lot more accurate because it's using cameras and probably SLAM technology, the same kind of SLAM technology that they put in the lenses themselves. So I'm gonna just try them on. Well, actually, how do you? That's easy. Oh yeah, that's actually more comfortable than the first one that kind of sat weird. Didn't feel too solid on your head. It's lighter too. This thing's heavier than the first CPU puck, but there's probably more going on in there. So that's pretty cool. And then the controller, it has a nice feel. Seems more solid and better quality than the first one. So yeah, that's it. I mean, it comes with this crazy, really cool case too, which is a nice touch. I feel like all these things should come with a case because that's the big thing. It's like hard to keep these things protected. And then you usually have to pay another like $100 or $80 for a case. But for the cost you're paying for some of these, they should just throw on a case like this. And this is like the perfect case obviously because it's designed specifically for it. This is where you can hold your silicone package. It's weird that they put a crevice there. I guess you could put, I don't know, probably your nose pad in there or something like that. That's interesting. Maybe a strap. So I think that covers it. Yeah, we got a charger for this and a charger for that in here. Maybe we'll probably do a video showing how it works and maybe start developing some demos for it. Development for the first one was actually pretty nice and like robust and a good experience, and they made it really easy. So hopefully they didn't change too much now that they went heavy on enterprise. Hopefully they kept at least the intuitive way to develop and integration with Unity. So yeah, we're excited to create some stuff for this and show it to you guys on some other videos.